Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you. Consider subscribing at the risk of your sanity. So, as the title of the video suggests, this is what love feels like, because you guys you've helped me reach 1,000 subscribers, and this is the purpose of this video, because I told you on Sunday that you're going to have a midweek video talking about the giveaway. So here it is. First of all, I am so happy. Second of all, I had to shoot outside because the weather is a bit dull and my studio lights can never. I also supplement with daylight, and because there's no daylight we have to do it outside. But anyway, bear with me. 1,000 subscribers, guys. This is it's so mind-blowing. You know, when you're starting out, usually like gassing yourself up, you know you're going to do it, you're going to reach there, and then you hit 1,000 subscribers and then you're like, phew. Oh my god, I've been able to convince 1,000 people to actually watch my content and enjoy it. Anyway, besides the point, instead of me talking about reaching 1,000 subscribers, that's already happened. I want to tell you how this situation happened. So here I am, like doing stuff. I was in school, I was studying, and then I get a phone call. And then when I picked the call, it was the company that has sponsored this video. So here we go. This video is sponsored by Mila Occasions. Mila Occasions is an events company, and they are doing something for February. So you know, when you love someone and you want to give them a gift, most of the times you don't want to say it with words, you say it with actions. So this is what Mila Occasions is trying to do for February. So they sent me something that they wanted me to show you guys. So here we go. They gave me this bouquet. Okay, that's Mila Occasions over there, and they sent me this very lovely bouquet, which I honestly tried to keep as steady as possible because I didn't want to mess it up before I showed the video. So it came with this, which is the bouquet. The roses are quite fleshy. You know, when you buy like a bouquet of flowers and then it's just, when you buy a bouquet of flowers and it's not look how full this box is, like from the front and from the back. I honestly love it. It's so nice, it's so beautiful. The roses, actually I got this yesterday and it still looks fresh. I mean, look at this. This is so nice. And I love the fact that they were so intentional with their box. They not only gave me a box, they gave me a card. So I haven't read out the card. I was waiting for you guys so that we read it together. So let me put down the bouquet. Here's the card. First of all, it says Happy Valentine's Day. It says Happy Valentine's Day, and then from Mila Occasions over here. So to Rachel Danu, that's me, and you, because that the channel is called Rachel Danu, so technically it's us. I love you today, tomorrow, and every day from Mila Occasions. Oh my god, that is so sweet. First of all, let me just say that I've never gotten a Valentine's gift, which is such a nice gesture that I've been given one. And they not only gave us this one, they're going to give you guys a potential winner, and that is why we are having this giveaway. So they're going to give out this box of roses and something extra. So they're going to give you this box of roses, this card, and some chocolates. So for me, I just got the box, but then they said for you guys they're gonna do a little bit something extra for the people, you know, and I really appreciate that. So besides this, they have other products which I'm going to tell you guys, so that they have a budget for everyone. So if you cannot afford this, they have something else to fit the budget, and I will leave everything down in the details in the description box below. There are other items that they have apart from the lovely box that they're giving us out. By the way, the guidelines of the giveaway will be the last thing that I'm going to talk about, so you might want to stick around for that. First of all, they have a bouquet of roses and a card for 1,100 shillings, and then they have a rose box like the box that I got, plus a card for 1,500 bob, and then they have a bouquet of roses, a card, and chocolate for 1500. I would actually get the one with the chocolate instead of getting the rose box and the card because they're at the same price. And rose box plus a card plus chocolate, you get it at 1,800 shillings. And then this is the part where, for the people who like a little bit something extra, this is where you guys fit in. So you get a bouquet of roses, wine, which is 4th Street 750 ml, a card, and chocolate for 2,500. And then of course, if you are the super extra type, you can get a box of roses, wine, a card, and the chocolate for 2,800. Yeah, so you have all of those options. If you want to give somebody a gift, this is your sign. These are the people you're supposed to be working with. So Mila Occasions are delivering in Mombasa and Kilifi. So this is the part where I give the guidelines of the giveaway. First of all, this is going to be a local giveaway first, because I usually see giveaways in Nairobi, people specifying gifts from Nairobi, and people from Mombasa, we don't get anything. So I am going to be a little bit giving prejudice to people in Kilifi and Mombasa, because that's the place that is going to be delivering. So if you live in Mombasa or Kilifi, these are the guidelines of the giveaway. First of all, you have to be following me on Instagram and Mila Occasions on Instagram. I will post a picture on my IG. Basically, what I want to hear from you is, why should you get the box? Who do you want to give it to, and why? So the person with the most convincing story or convincing reason will win the giveaway. And that is the end of the video, guys. Follow me on Instagram at Chechel_Ndanu for the giveaway, which is, let I remind you, a box of roses, a card, and chocolate, because we like a little bit extra here for the season of love. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next week on Sunday. Not next week, I have exams. I will see you in 2 weeks, and always remember that God made only one of you, and I should tell you something. Bye.